Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Robux on Sweatcoin, right? So let's open our Sweatcoin mobile application here. Once you do it, okay, let me just disable it for right now. And after that, you will see this balance account, right? And it's depend upon how many steps you have taken. So once you complete the steps, just go to the balance, right? Once you are here, you will able to withdraw the whatever the sweat coins which you have earned, and the only way to do it, which I've already shown in my last video, but you can just go to the shop and you can buy here, right? So you can't get directly Robux, but indirectly you can just get it. So whatever product you will purchase it, just give it to somebody or sell it, and the money which you will get it, you can just buy Robux, right? So logically, if you find that it's a completely free money, right? So this is how you can get the Robux on Sweat coins, of course. So here you can just buy any of the product and offers, right? And here you will find a lot of option. So this is it guys. I hope you found this video really useful. And if you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe channel, and see you guys in the next video.